Okay, what's going on, all my beautiful people, guys? The first thing I want to do is to thank all of you guys for actually opting in to actually, take a look at the Newbies on Fire digital marketing suite and this opportunity. Now, what I want to do in this video is I want to show you guys exactly what happened to you, how I'm corresponding with you right now, right from my Newbies on Fire members area. Okay. Now, one of the first things we want to ensure that we're able to do, that we're capable of doing, is effectively marketing, advertising, and promoting the Newbies on Fire digital marketing opportunity. Now, you guys know you got a whole, plethora of great tools in terms of learning your and improving on your internet marketing skills, whether you're brand new or whether you're a mid-level internet marketer, or this is just a great suite of tools that will enable you to actually teach yourself to market anything that you want. Now, let's talk about the different ways you can market and advertise the Newbies on Fire business opportunity digital products. This suite of digital tools that will teach you how to become a better internet marketer. Now, if you haven't already, by the way, I can see you guys coming into the funnel, so I want you to pay special attention to this because you can do exactly what it is I'm about to show you. If you haven't already, make sure, guys, I'm going to leave this page for you guys to join our Facebook cash code group. Do that, guys, okay? It's absolutely free to do it. You get in, you get to sit in and actually look inside the group and see exactly what's going on with the Newbies on Fire opportunity. Now, what I've done, guys, and this is what I'm really excited about, in addition to all of the great training and exclusive short and easy to follow tutorials that you're going to get inside your Newbies on Fire members area, guys, there's some extra bonuses that's being thrown in that's going to help you expedite the process in terms of getting yourself out there and positioned in front of the countless thousands of people who are looking for ways to make money working from home, online, or offline. Okay, so you're gonna have a whole, quite a few done for you capture pages and sales systems funnels, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. For you Facebook, all about Facebook people, we got 100 pre-written Facebook marketing ads that you can use on social media, and we talk about how to use the Facebook cash code for all my Facebook people. Now, a lot of people, you might want to go to Craigslist. So we have some great Craigslist training inside of these extra bonuses that I'm throwing in. And this is just not any Craigslist training. We actually have templates that you can actually use in your Craigslist ads. You can actually go in and tweak those ads a little bit. But if you follow the instructions in terms of the training that you're going to get in this Craigslist training, you'll be good to go with that, guys. Now, here's what I want to talk specifically about today. I want to talk about the big bonus that I've just finished working on, guys, and that is your very own replicated website, just like the one you see right here, right? Just like this one. Okay, I've created this page. It's a testimonial page that you can actually use in your marketing and promoting. Here's how that's going to work. Okay, not only are we going to give you the actual replicated website, guys, it's going to be coded with your Newbies on Fire join links and Facebook group link. So when you join, you have to let me know you joined so I can create the page for you. But when we do that, I'm going to show you guys how to drive tens of thousands of people to get thousands of views directly to your capture page, which I'm going to show you in a minute, and then follow up with this exact same page. I'm going to show you guys how you can start doing that within the next 24 hours. Now, here's the thing. I have some new soul ad sources that you won't know what they are unless or until you join and become a paid member. But I promise you, when we talk about getting those eyeballs on your Newbies on Fire capture page and ultimately following up with them with the testimonial website that I created, that's very powerful stuff, guys. So when we talk about automating your marketing and sales strategy, that's exactly what's going to happen. Once you become a paid member, many of you guys have joined. I see you. Once you become a paid member, I'm going to send you all of these bonuses And I want you to pay special attention to what fits you most. If you like Craigslist, get in on this Craigslist training. If you want to do the Facebook, use the pre-written ads, follow that training, okay? Now, guys, let's jump over to the capture pages for a second, because this is what I want you guys to pay special attention to. You came into a page that looks like this one, or you came into a page I created myself. But either way, we're going to use this one right up here, which you have in your members area now, as an example. Okay, I'm going to click it. Now, this is the actual capture page that you will be able to start positioning yourself in front of people who are looking for ways to make money from home. And when you do that, guys, using paid advertising, which I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do, that means that people who want to see more about this presentation and learn more about it, they're going to give you their first name, their last name, and their email address. And once they do, guys, they are now on your list. Now, inside of your members area, guys, you're going to find a full HTML editor. There's nothing fancy about that, guys. What it is an autoresponder. That means for every single person that's coming into your capture page and getting on your list, right? Now you have the capability using this HTML editor to follow up with these people anytime you want. And here's the kicker. Not just for the Newbies on Fire business opportunity, but you can follow up with these people using this autoresponder, this HTML editor, with anything that you want. And you can simply go inside here and type up a message. Now, in real time, guys, sit tight and watch what's going to happen. In real time, I'm going to show you guys this cool tool inside of your members area. Okay, now I got my spelling going on a little bit. I'm a little dyslexic, so it's okay. But what I'm saying in my subject line is cool tool inside of your members area. Okay, now for all of you guys who've come onto my list, I know who you are. You know who I am. It's me, Marlon. Thanks again so very much for stopping by to check out the Newbies on Fire digital marketing platform. It's an incredible, simple, and easy way to actually earn while you learn how to become a better marketer, whether it be online or offline. In this video, I'll be talking about the bonus training you're going to receive, which I just covered. And once you become a member, a paid member on our team, and more specifically, I'm still spell checking as I'm going along, guys, so bear with me, about all the different ways to get the word out about your Newbies on Fire business opportunity. I've just went over a few of them with you guys. The Facebook strategy, the Craigslist ads, okay? Now, inside of your members area, which you guys now have instant access to, right? Under the tools section, you'll find an autoresponder, which I'm in right now, which is how I'm sending you this message. Once you start sending people to your capture page, which I just showed you, and they opt in, right? They are now on your list, and you can use this autoresponder to continue to connect and correspond with them. You can use the free testimonial website I just showed you guys, right? You just saw it. And I'm going to leave it in. It's going to be a link right under this message that I'll create for you absolutely free, right? And this autoresponder, you use them in conjunction with each other to send all of the people coming onto your list and joining to follow up with them anytime you want. Did you guys get that? Do you understand the actual power of that? Okay. Okay. Once new people join your team, you will send them this page, right? Whether they're paid or not paid, you will continue to follow up with them with this website, the one that I'm going to back up and show you guys again, which I have in this link in this broadcast that I'm sending you guys right now. And once you become a paid member, you'll send the joining bonuses, which you guys will receive. You'll send that page to your new members, right? And I'll create the free website for them, right? All that information is on the actual testimonial page that I just created, okay? So this is going to make corresponding with new people coming onto the list a lot simpler and easier. Again, you can use any of the strategies that you feel comfortable with, but right now I'm talking about paid advertising, and it's really affordable, and we're talking about being able to get eyeballs on your Newbies on Fire capture page, get people on your list, and start using the HTML editor, the autoresponder in your members area to start corresponding with those people immediately and anytime you want. I can't wait to welcome you guys to the team. Again, I see you guys. I know you're still looking at it. A lot of you guys have joined. I'm so super pumped up and so super excited. So what I'm going to ask you to do, guys, if you have questions about anything, right, just text or email me, right, at itsmarlonobennett@gmail.com with question for Marlon in the subject line. Now, when these are people are coming onto your list, guys, I just went inside the tools section, inside of my autoresponder, and I'm sending you guys this message right now. And so when you do that, you want to come down here, guys, and you want to check all, right? And you can actually preview your message if you want to. And as you guys can see, there's the actual message that I'm actually going to send to you guys right now. In fact, you've probably already seen it. If you haven't, watch your email, guys, because I'm sending it to you right now to 37 of the people who just came in to the actual system. Now, again, remember, guys, you're going to be getting all these bonuses that you see listed on the page right here. But not only that, you're going to get a replicated website exactly like this one, coded with your Newbies on Fire, right, affiliate links, your Facebook cash code affiliate link. That's super powerful, because now that you have your capture page and now that you have your autoresponder, all you want to concentrate on doing is driving people into your Newbies on Fire sales presentation. And once they're on your list, you can take the bonus page that I'm sending you and start following up with those new people anytime you want using the autoresponder in your members area. How cool is that, guys? And when you see the sources that I'm going to give you guys in terms of the paid advertising, we're talking about solo ads now, and that's only if you elect to use solo ads. We have the Craigslist training, the Facebook training, right? I have classified ad training, right? YouTube training. But this paid advertising, this solo ad Rolodex I'm going to send you guys, believe me, there's a price point for everybody to get in here and start sending those eyeballs directly to your Newbies on Fire capture page, and then following up with them with this great testimonial bridge page that I've created. And that's a great way for you guys to get up and running. I thank you guys so very much again for being on the video. Congratulations for all you guys coming into the system. Go on, guys. Get yourself super pumped up and get yourself excited, and go on and start speaking your own success into existence using a system such as the Newbies on Fire digital marketing suite of tools. Okay. Again, thanks so very much. As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging. I'll see you guys on the next video.